Everyone, welcome to my channel Career Zone. I hope you all are fine and staying at home. Today I will show you the different types of heading which can be used in HTML web page and how to change the writing style of your text. What all are the fonts available and how you can change the writing style and the size of the text which are used within the web page. So let us start. Let us see the different types of heading which we can use. There are 6 type of headings which we can use within the web page, starting from heading 1 to heading 6. Heading 1 is a larger one and heading 6 is the smallest one. So what is the use of the head tag and what is the use of the heading 1 to 6? It means H1 to H6 tags. Actually, the H1 to H6 tag appears bolder than the other text, and the browser automatically inserts one you can say one line before and after the heading. So if there is a requirement to show something in a bolder, written in a bold form, then you can use the H1 to H6 tag, and H1 is the largest one as I have told you, and H6 is the smallest one. These heading tags are also called as a container tag, which is required to be open and closed both, because if you will not close these H1 to H6 tag, then the whole content of the web page will turn into the heading size. Now what is font tag? It is a tag which is basically used to make your web page contents look more attractive and readable. Basically, the writing of the text, the color of the text and the size of the text can be easily changed with the help of this font tag. It has 3 attributes: face, which changes the writing of the text; color, which changes the color; and size, obviously it changes the size of the text written inside the web page. But if you use the base font tag, it will apply the same size, color and face to all the contents of the web page. So now let us start the video and see how this H1 to H6 tag can be used inside the web page and how you can apply different font style, color and size to the text to make your web page look more attractive and readable by the user. So let us start. Open the notepad in your laptop or computer and let us start with the HTML tag. Then I will write the head tag, which is the mandatory tag of HTML. So I'm going to write here the heading types in HTML, which I'm going to show you the 6 heading types. Then I will open the title tag. I'm going to write SFPS there. Title tag is closed before the head tag, so I'm closing the title tag, and now I am going to close the head tag. After that I'll start the body tag, and we will see that how we can use the H1 to H6 tags, heading tags inside the web page. So what you need to do, just open the H1 tag, all the 6 tags in your notepad, and write any one sentence within these tags, because when you will write the same sentence in all the tags, it will make you more understandable that how it is differentiated, how the H1 to H6 tags are different from each other in case of sizes. So I've opened all the 6 tags together. Now I'm going to write here, this text shows the size of heading 1. So same way I'm going to close now H1. If you will not close the H1, then obviously the size of the H1 will be applied to the whole web page. So you have to close the H1 tag. Then you have just copy the text to all the tags H3, H4, H5 and H6 and close all the text. Once you close it, just close the body tag and HTML tag and try to execute it in your browser. I hope you all are practicing along with me, because it will make you understand in a better way. Okay, and if you have any queries, you can message me on my number, and Now see how I have closed H4, H5 and then H6. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'm just going to close the body tag and HTML tag, as I have written the same line in all the heading types. So let's see how it makes a difference. So I'm going to save it .html extension. So I have written the name headings.html and I have saved it in my desktop. So when I am opening it, how it looks, see, the first line is the bigger in size and the decreasing onwards. Second is little bit you can say smaller and then goes smaller. So this is how the heading tag works. Now see how we will see now that how the font tag works. Basically the use of the font tag is to apply the colored size on the text, or you can change the writing of the text. It means how it should look, how the writing style should be. So on whatever line you have selected to change the font style or size, you have to open the font tag before it. So if you have opened you want to change the, suppose, writing style of H1 heading 1, so you have to open the font tag. Face is the attribute to change the writing, and you can select any one of the font. If you remember the font which you like, then it's alright. Otherwise you can go to the format menu of the notepad, then go to font menu, and then you can select the font. I am writing chiller font here because I like this. You can select any one of your choice, and I will close the font tag. You have to close the font tag also, because if you are not going to close, so the chiller font will be applied to all the text which are present inside the web page. So if you want that it should be applied only to one line or only to heading 1, so you have to close it. But before closing, I want to show the output. See, the font has been applied to all the text which is written. So now if you want that it should be applied only to H1 tag, then you have to close the font tag here only. Okay, so close the font tag after the H1 and then again try to execute it. Save it, save the changes. There's no need to save the file again by using save as. You can only press the save button or Ctrl+S key and just use it in the browser. So you have seen that how the changes have been made. Now let's see the another attribute, which is color and size of the font. Now suppose if I want to change the color of heading 2, so I have written font color is equal to green. So if I will not close this font tag here, now after the H2 all that content will be in green color, and if I close it after H2, only the heading 2 will be shown in green color. Okay, every time you have to save the changes and then see how it works. It's very easy to learn HTML actually, just you need to focus. Now suppose I want to again change the writing style of H2. So I have written one more font style here, Comic Sans MSC. This you will find in the font menu. So see how the text, writing of the text changes. So this is how it works. Now if I want to increase the size of the heading which I have written in the head tag, so which attribute I am going to use? Font size. So I have written font size equal to 70 and color is equal to yellow. So obviously if you will not close again the font tag here, it is going to be applied on the whole text of the which is written inside the body tag. So I have closed the font here also. See how the size increases and the color has also changed. So this is how it works. I hope you are understanding it and doing it along the video when you are watching. So If you liked my channel, then subscribe it, press the bell icon and share it so that other can also watch it. I will be back again with the next topic in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you so